What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see the best Fortnite mobile settings with no lag. So the first thing is the HUD layout, which is very important. Go to settings, then touch and motion, and then HUD layout tool. Fire buttons on both sides, build buttons large and easy to reach, edit button close to build buttons, and jump and crouch near the right thumb. Weapon slots near button center. The fire buttons from 120 to 140%, build buttons from 110 to 130%, and edit button from 120%, then the jump button from 110 to 120%. Of course, turbo build is on and confirm edit on release is on. Auto open doors on and build immediately like Builder Pro style on. Place edit button near the right thumb and use the confirm edit on release to edit faster. Tap fire is on, dedicated fire button is on, and auto fire is off. Recommended for competitive play. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.